Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Kitchen channel where I review kitchen gadgets and appliances. Today, I'm going to review the Vitamix Immersion Blender, which is a handheld blender that can blend, puree and crush ingredients in any container. I'll show you some of the top features of this blender, give you my rating based on the reviews on Amazon.com, and tell you the pros and cons of this product. So let's get started. The Vitamix Immersion Blender is one of the most powerful hand blenders available in the market. Its key features include a powerful 625-watt motor, 5 speed levels for optimum blend quality, heavy-duty stainless steel build, and easy-to-use, single-handed operation. It also has a unique bell guard that reduces suction and protects your pots and pans from scratches. The blender is 18 inches long and has a 5-foot cord for convenience. To use the blender, you just need to plug it in. Insert it into any container with a 3-inch wide or larger opening, such as a smoothie cup or a mason jar, and press the buttons on the handle. The top button turns the blender on and off, while the bottom button controls the speeds. There are 5 speeds to choose from, and you can see which one you're using by looking at the lights on top of the blender. The lowest speed is gentle enough for delicate ingredients, while the highest speed can handle tough ingredients like ice or nuts. I tested the blender on various recipes, such as soups, smoothies, sauces, and dips. I was impressed by how quickly and smoothly it blended everything. It easily pureed celery soup, leaving behind almost no solids. It also blended chickpeas with water and food dye in about 14 seconds, creating a uniform paste. It crushed ice with water in seconds, making a slushy drink. It also made creamy Caesar salad dressing and tahini sauce with whole garlic cloves in just a few pulses. The blender was very easy to use and comfortable to hold. The buttons were responsive and intuitive, and the handle was ergonomic and grippy. The blender was also very easy to clean. I just rinsed it under running water or wiped it with a damp cloth. The blade guard can be removed for deeper cleaning if needed. The Vitamix Immersion Blender is one of the most popular immersion blenders on Amazon.com, with over 4.0 ratings and an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars as of November 2nd, 2023. It has received many positive reviews from customers who praised its blending power, ease of use, and easy cleaning. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons of the Vitamix Immersion Blender. Pros. It's very powerful and can handle any blending task. It's very easy to use and control with one hand. It's very easy to clean. You just need to rinse the wand under running water or put it in the dishwasher. It's very versatile and can blend in any container with a 3-inch wide or larger opening. You can use it for smoothies, soups, sauces, dips, batters, whipped cream, and more. It's very durable and well made. It has a 3-year warranty from Vitamix. Cons? Expensive compared to other blenders. No accessories or blending jar included. It's very long and heavy. This can make it hard to store or use for some people. So, is the Vitamix Immersion Blender worth buying? In my opinion, yes. If you are looking for a high-quality immersion blender that can handle any blending task, then this is the one for you. It is durable, versatile, and easy to use. It can help you make smoothies, soups, sauces, and more in any container. It is also easy to clean and store. However, if you are on a tight budget or you need more attachments for your blending needs, then you might want to look for other options. That's it for today's review. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more kitchen gadget reviews. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of the Vitamix Immersion Blender or if you have any questions about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.